Hello viewers, today we are going to start new video which is car insurance in the UK. Before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Sana Hashmi. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Now we back to our topic which is car insurance in the UK. Getting behind the wheel in the UK, make sure you are covered with our complete guide to car insurance in the UK. If you are planning to drive in the UK, it is essential you have to write insurance. Vehicle insurance in the UK is compulsory for drivers and is one of the number of insurance policies you should take out or in the UK. To help you out, this guide explains everything you need to know, including information on the following. Introduction to UK car insurance. Firstly, introduction to UK car insurance. Insurance in the UK is compulsory. The law states that you must insure all vehicles if you drive them or keep them in public places to at least the level of third party liability. Can you use car insurance from another country in the UK? Now we feedback. At present, you can use valid vehicle insurance from other electrical EU countries in the UK. However, this may well change as a result of Brexit. Non-EU or EFTA nationals need to purchase a UK insurance policy to drive in the UK. Types of car insurance in the UK. First is third party liability. Next is third party fire and theft. Next is fully comprehensive. Next is car insurance cost. 4 steps which is very important in car insurance in UK. Third party liability defines this is the minimum legal coverage. Third party fire and theft shows this includes our standard third party liability coverage plus it also covers repairs or replacement cost if your vehicle is stolen or damaged by fire. Next is fully comprehensive. The highest level of coverage watch will also pay out for damage to your own car in incidents where you are at fault. Some policies are covered the owner of the policy to drive other vehicles. Next is car insurance cost. Car insurance cost in the UK will depend on the factors including first is insurance type, second is vehicle value, third is driver age, history and profile. Next is what you will use the vehicle for. 4 steps very important. Additional forms of car insurance in the UK. Additional forms. Additional forms depends on many things, which is breakdown insurance, warranty, legal insurance, no claims protection, personal accident insurance, driving overseas, and loss of stolen keys. Next is car insurance bonus and penalties in the UK. The UK operates no claim discount system which allows people who have not claimed on their insurance in a number of years to obtain a substantial discount. Each insurance company operates its own no claim scheme, but it's usually possible to get discount of 50 to 80% on your annual premiums for long periods with the making of claims. I hope all viewers pick all points according to car insurance in the UK. Thank you so much for watching my video and don't forget to press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you.